This is the BK Mueller 888-556 stem and cartridge assembly for the BK Mueller faucets with the old style aluminum handle as well as the tan plastic handle. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the packaging here. A couple important things to notice about this stem is down here on this end you will have that squared piece there. And it'll be really hard to see on the camera, but there will be threads in there as well. Then coming down to this end, you have that rubber, almost umbrella shaped washer there at the end. Coming up here, you've got the holes along that whole bottom side of that cartridge. Then coming up, you've got the almost hex shaped piece right here on the cartridge. And then right above that you have those two rubber O-rings. So we can go ahead and get an outer diameter of the end of the stem, and that's going to measure right just below 3/4 of an inch. And then we can also get a total length. So the complete assembly will measure right at about 7 3/4 inches. And then we can also get a measurement of just that cartridge. So from the bottom of that umbrella shaped washer there to the top, that is going to measure right at 3 inches. Yeah, so once again, this is the BK Mueller 889-556 stem assembly.